Procore is one of the biggest names in construction software, but it was built for large, complex projects. That's why small contractors often hit the same question fast. Is this too much software for the size of my business? By the end of this, you'll know exactly where Procore makes sense for small contractors and where it starts becoming unnecessary. Here's the direct answer. For most small contractors, yes, Procore can be overkill. But if your small company handles complex projects with multiple subs, permits, and strict timelines, it can still be worth it. Start with what Procore does well. Project management is its strongest area. If you're managing a remodel, new build, or commercial fit-out, Procore keeps schedules, RFIs, submittals, documents, and daily logs in one place. That creates structure. For a contractor juggling electricians, plumbers, framers, and inspectors, that visibility matters. Document control is another big advantage. Plans, revisions, and approvals stay organized. That reduces mistakes caused by outdated drawings. On larger jobs, that can save real money. Financial tracking is strong too. Budgets, change orders, and cost reports are built into the system. That helps you track project profitability more clearly. The problem is complexity. A small contractor doing kitchen remodels, roofing jobs, or shorter residential projects may not need all those layers. If your workflow is mostly estimates, scheduling, invoices, and customer communication, Procore can feel heavy. That slows things down. Training is another factor. Procore has a bigger learning curve than simpler tools like Buildertrend or Jobber. That means more setup and more time before your team uses it properly. For a 3-person company, that matters. Cost is usually the biggest issue. Procore is positioned for businesses where the software cost makes sense because the project size is large enough to justify it. If your average project size is smaller, the return can be harder to see. Here's the simple breakdown. If you're a small contractor doing high-complexity builds, multiple subcontractors, and larger budgets, Procore can give you serious control. If you're doing straightforward residential jobs, it's often more system than you need. Buildertrend usually fits small residential contractors better. Jobber fits service-based contractors better. The 3 things to remember are simple. Procore is powerful, complex, and best when project complexity is high. The next step is to look at how many moving parts your average project actually has. If this helped, hit like and subscribe.